Hi everyone, today we're going to look at how do you identify fake news versus actual news in Malaysia using Sebenarnya.my, which is Malaysia's official fake news portal. There are two ways that we can do this. Number one is by using Telegram. On your phone, look for Telegram. Once you have Telegram open, click the search button at the top and search for Sebenarnya.my. Here you have a channel on Telegram in which you can first choose to join. At the bottom of this screen, if you have not joined this group before, you will be able to see that there's a join button where the mute button currently is. Once you are part of this channel, you'll be able to receive notifications every day as to what news are true or what news are fake. Even as I scroll up right now, you can already see a couple of examples of identifying which is true and which is false. If you do not want to use Telegram or you don't have Telegram, you can always go to your browser and search for Sebenarnya.my as well. Here you get to see a couple examples of cases in the recent days where the government has taken action to clarify which is true and which is fake news. So, in the event that you receive articles or news via WhatsApp or through friends and family and you would like to clarify how true and legitimate it is, you can come here as a source of checking. So that's it for using Sebenarnya.my as your source of truth, and we shall see you in the next episode.